Okay, HP has released their new NV14 lineup. It looks really cool. The new PC is full 1080p HD display. Like, the PC is really what you can expect from a PC of its caliber. It's not gonna have the best internals. It's gonna have the 11th generation Tiger Lake piece, the processor that is already existing on virtually all the latest HP PC. It's gonna come with Nvidia GeForce GTX 1650 Ti GPU, which is powerful, really powerful. This should game really nicely, but it may not be the highest for your gaming. There are bigger and better processors out there, but that's really nice. Price for this is not too much. It's just 19. Price is $999, pretty much $1,000. Comes with Thunderbolt 4 ports, 2 USB A ports, 2 HDMI ports, an audio jack. It supports the latest Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.0. Like I said, just $1,000 you get this, and it's not too horrible. Like, really, it's not too horrible. And that is the news for the NV14. Please subscribe to our channel, do like our content, follow on social media. I'm going to see you guys next time.